Let's continue our quest for super easy gift ideas. Tonight, we're going to make some fabric bookmarks. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so if you remember, all of these projects, they all have the same fabric. So tonight, I'm going to use some adhesive back cork. I got it from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use this honeycomb fabric. I got this fabric from Joann Fabrics. Anyway, so all I'm doing is rough cutting it out the size of our adhesive back cork. Okay, easy peasy. Then we're going to take the backer off of our cork and then put it down, and then you're going to put your piece of fabric on top. You want to make sure there are no wrinkles, lumps, bumps, whatever. If there are, kind of, pull it up. I'm using a brayer to make sure it's really adhered. And then I'm just going over and cutting the edge. You could do the edges with like pinking shears or some other decorative scissors. That would look really cool. But for me right now, I just wanted a nice straight edge. I thought that would like enhance the fabric, right? Perfect. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm using a rotary cutter and I'm just going to cut mine. Now I like a chunky bookmark, so I cut mine about, I think they're about 2.5 inches. But you could cut yours as wide as you wanted. Again, I'm using a rotary cutter because I can't cut a straight line to save anything. Anyway, so there it is. Look, it's so pretty, right? Now we have some Dollar Tree fabric. No, not Dollar Tree fabric. Dollar Tree ribbon. So we're going to take our bookmarks that we cut, and I'm using a crocodile to punch a hole, but you could use a hole punch. It's fine. And now we're going to take that ribbon that I said was fabric. And I'm just going to kind of fold it in half so that we can put it through that little hole and make it as long or as short as you want. There's a couple different ways you can do this. You can put one through and then tie a knot at the very top, which is what I'm going to do with this one. So all I'm doing is tying a knot. And again, I got this ribbon at Dollar Tree. You have to look for it, and it's usually over in floral. But so that one's a good one, right? And you can cut the ends like on an angle or make them, fancy schmancy. You can burn the ends if you're concerned about them fraying, but super cute, right? Yeah. And the other way that you can do it is you can put the two ends of your ribbon together and then kind of, roll it so that it can fit through that little hole. Just be mindful if your hole in your bookmark is too close to the top, you could tear it. So just be mindful about that. But see how you have that little loop? Now you're just going to pull those tails right through, and then you're just going to snug it up. Now again, you see me being really careful because again, I don't want it to tear through. But this is another way you can do it. I know this is so simple, but it really, like my children, love these bookmarks. They make a great addition to like a set like we did the other day. Like, stop. Look at how cool these are. So cool. And you could combine it with like a gift card. You don't even need to though. Or their favorite book. So many options. But anyways, it's one of my favorite projects and I hope you liked it. All right, friends, thanks so much for watching and I hope this inspires you.